there are different types of apps, and you all use those apps like WhatsApp, like Instagram, like Facebook, like Meet, Google Meet. This is also an app. And different types of apps have their different types of work, different types of role. What you can do on Facebook, you cannot do on WhatsApp. What you cannot take your classes on WhatsApp. For taking class, you need Google Meet. Is it clear? For sending messages, you can use Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, and other apps also, Telegram, like that. So, and you use all these apps very much. So today we have this topic and you have to speak upon it. And today you will be given only 2 minutes time to speak about the topic. And this is very good thing that I have got some names, and very good. Just a minute, please. Okay. So we are starting with, and you will be given 2 minutes time. And I am starting the stopwatch. And please try to be in time. And first of all, I am calling Gaurav. And Gaurav, you have your 2 minutes time. Please start.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So, hello everyone. I'm Gaurav here. My today's topic is apps that are in our phones. So, you all know that there are many apps and they are very useful for us, like Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, YouTube, Google, and many others. So, first of all, we will talk about that what are apps. So, apps are full form apps is application and they are a software. Means we can't touch them. They are not hardware like my phone. I can touch my phone, but I can't touch I can't touch the software I'm watching Google Meet. I cannot interact with. I can interact with the function of the phone, but indirectly I'm interacting with the phone only, not the app. So that's the function. And now the function and how these work. So first of all, we should have we should get net to operate these to uh, interact with these apps or
कितने
to
time है
make
develop?
these apps run in our
You
mobile.
have only 40 seconds. Hurry up.
Yes, sir. So first of all, the 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 instruction we gave will go to the server of the app and then it will come back with a response that what will happen. So this is the function, and there are many use and this is very useful, that like WhatsApp we use for communication and YouTube we use for entertainment. That's it. Thank you, sir.
ओके वेरी गुड. 1 minute and 46 seconds. अच्छा, थोड़ा सा और क्लियर अपना करो. मतलब आपका जो वॉइस है ना, उसको थोड़ा सा, थॉट्स तो क्लियर होने लगे हैं अब तुम्हारे, लेकिन वॉइस को भी थोड़ा सा और ऐसे बनाओ जो अच्छे सुनाई दे. ओके वेरी गुड. यस, कम ऑन.
Sir,
विपिन, वुड यू लाइक टू स्पीक नाउ और लेटर?
yes, sir, Abhi.
अभी ओके, आ जाओ.
Hello everyone, today my topic name is apps. Mobile has many apps. There are different type of apps like Google, Google Meet, Google, and WhatsApp, YouTube, and Play Store. First of all, Google Meet. We used to Google Meet. We used take online classes in Google Meet to take online classes and Play Store. Play Store we used
यूज्ड नहीं,
we
यूज. टेंस का ध्यान रखो बाबू.
we
प्रेजेंट मोमेंट में बोल
used
रहे हो. हाँ,
we used
फिर यूज्ड
downloads
मना कर रहा हूँ. यूज्ड मत बोलो, फिर यूज्ड बोल रहे हो आप.
we use downloads other apps
ये अच्छे से
अगर
सेंटेंस
ऐप
बन रहे हैं आपके, जल्दबाजी में दिख रहे हो आज आप मेरे को, अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है आपका बोलना, बहुत गलत सेंटेंस बना रहे हो आज आप, टूटे फूटे बना रहे हो। थोड़ी देर सुनो आप, फिर बोलना आप, अभी रुक जाओ जरा, बहुत जल्दबाजी में नाम मत लिखा करो अपना, बहुत जल्दबाजी में नाम लिख देते हो, अभी वेट करो आप थोड़ा सा, सुनो आप थोड़ा सा अभी जरा। विपिन, ये मीनू, अभी रुक जाओ विपिन, अभी थोड़ी देर बाद बोलना आप। मीनू,
Yes, sir.
बोल बेटा।
Hello everyone, myself Minu. Today I'm telling you about app. An app, an app is a software application which is used for everything, like
सुनो
we
जरा विपिन, ध्यान से, हाँ बोलो।
like send message from WhatsApp and use calendars, calculator, Google Meet, etc. It is a type of software that can be installed or run by a computer, tablet, phone, etc. Mm, like WhatsApp, we communicate with others and we share our feelings by typing and by send them voice message and we call to our parents, colleagues, relatives, and we see their faces by video call. We are apart from them, and on Instagram we see reels. In YouTube we also see reels, but the name is different. In Instagram this is reels, that is reels, but in YouTube that is shorts. And we see on YouTube education related videos and dramas, serials, whatever we want, we find that on YouTube.
शाबाश।
And on Google Meet, we take online classes as we do here. And on Netflix, we watch movies. So different apps has different qualities, different roles. Some
टाइम इज ओवर। शाबाश,
ठीक है
बहुत अच्छा बोल रहा है बेटा। अब तो कोई अच्छे से जो तेरे मन में होता है, वो जो बात है वो सारी की सारी आ जाती है। अच्छा है बेटा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, बहुत बढ़िया चल रहा है ना रोहित?
Yes, sir.
थोड़ा
Hello, good
सुनने भी, आप
evening.
सभी लोग, आप लोग सुनते थोड़ा कम है, तो थोड़ा सा सुनने पे भी फोकस करें आप लोग। और जितना सुनेंगे नहीं अच्छे से तो आप बोल नहीं पाएंगे, तो सुनने पे फोकस करो थोड़ा सा। सुनना भी जरूरी होता है बोलने के लिए, खाली ये नहीं कि अपने 2 मिनट बोला और काम खत्म, उससे काम नहीं चलने वाला, वीक रह जाओगे। बोल बेटा।
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Rohit Arun. Today, I'm going to tell you about internet. As you all know that now that we are living in the age of science and everything and every electronic gadgets that connects us with the world is running with the help of internet, because as we can see that internet is a type of bond that connects people with people by linking them through various links present in our devices. Like WhatsApp is also a type of link which links us to a big server present somewhere else and connect the people all over the world. By this we can by this we can communicate each other and help each other in different times. And we know that internet helps us a lot in our day to day life. In our day to day life, we get some ideas from the world and apply them in our daily life. This application of internet is very useful when we are living in a society. We sometimes face some dilemmas. For facing them, we need some advices that we usually not get from from our siblings and from our elders, and internet helps us to resolve from these problems. And be safe. And because sometimes we find that internet is giving us more and um, more and more results that the society is not giving them. Internet also, internet is a medium that teaches by which a person can learn many things and apply them in their life, by which a person can be efficient enough to stand in the society. That's it, sir.
शाबाश बेटा, वेरी गुड। 1 minute and 40 5 seconds. Shabash. Harsh.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Harsh. Today, my topic is internet and its parts. So, first of all, what is internet? Internet is a software that links all the persons through all over the world, so that they can talk to each other and share their daily things with each other and relax their mind. Internet has many parts. We cannot say it there as its part, but as its heart, because without these things, nobody will use internet. And one
Cannot.
of the
Nobody will नहीं. Cannot. Will कैसे हो जाएगा? Can लगाना पड़ेगा. Inability है. हाँ.
yes, sir. And one of its parts is Meta. In it, it consists of all the things that you use, like Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, etc. And these are the softwares that we use in our day-to-day life to communicate with each other, to share our daily things, and to talk to our relatives who are far away from us. Like if you are living in India and your father is working in America, then you can talk to him by watching his face through internet. And internet provides all the things that are available in the world, and we can at a cost which is affordable to all.
Hmm.
And with the help of internet, we can learn many new things that we cannot learn from our society. Like we cannot learn the knowledge about other countries
We
from.
cannot get the knowledge. Knowledge को learn नहीं किया जाता है. Knowledge को get किया जाता है. हाँ.
We cannot get the knowledge of foreign affairs by our society, because they do not get more knowledge from talking to each. We do not get more knowledge from talking to each other, but we can get more knowledge from internet. That's it, sir.
Very good. 1 minute and 50 seconds. Very good. आ रहे हो टाइम पे धीरे 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 पकड़ने लग गए हो टाइम को. ये बहुत अच्छी बात है. कबीर.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Kabir. I am a student of Rambad Online Interview Classes from batch P20. Today's my topic is apps. As we all are used to gives us knowledge or to make our life easy. Apps are a link which apps are basically a link which connect us to a server.
Hmm.
Apps apps make our life easy and we can solve our any doubt via apps.
Hmm.
Apps are also called applications by which we can search anything which we want.
Hmm.
Uh, as we all know that apps give we give input to them and they gives us suitable outputs to us by whi- which we want.
Hmm.
And
बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हो बेटा. शाबाश. वैसे गुड. ऐसे बोलो. फोकस करो बस. हाँ.
apps there are thousands of apps which is useful
Which
for
are
us,
useful.
which are useful for us, like Google, YouTube, etc.
Hmm.
uh, these are so useful for every person, and every person use it every person use it. And thank you, sir.
ओके. तो टाइम है. ओनली 130 seconds में कंप्लीट कर दिया. एकदम से मत किया करो. ऐसे मत एकदम से खत्म मत किया करो बेटा. है ना. कंक्लूडिंग सेंटेंस बोला करो थोड़ा सा.
Yes, sir.
हाँ. चलो अंजू. अब तुमको लेता हूँ मैं. आओ बेटा जरा.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Anjali. My today's topic is apps. Apps full form is application. There are thousands of apps like Google, YouTube, Google Meet, Instagram, Facebook.
शाबाश
Facebook.
शाबाश. आराम से. हाथ से मत. धीरे धीरे तसल्ली से. हाँ.
There are too many apps, but some of apps are learning apps and some of apps are time pass apps.
Hmm.
Some apps are delivering of food apps, so we can eat or order something like Zomato, Swiggy, Blinkit, Zepto, and some of learning apps like Zico, Duolingo, etc.
There are time passes like you can take YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. Apps is important in payments because for payments we can payment on sir.
We can make payments.
We can make payments and transfer money.
शाबाश शाबाश, ऐसे धीरे धीरे फोकस कर करके बोलो, सोचो और बोलो, सेंटेंस बना के फोकस करो, बस जितना करोगे उतना आ जाएगा, सब फ्लुएंट आ जाएगा। हाँ,
Yes, some of apps are shopping apps like Amazon, Myntra, Lakme, etc. Apps are software, not hardware. Apps are linked.
आपको टाइम दे रहा हूँ, बोलो आप आराम से। हाँ,
App are links. That's it, sir.
ओके, वेरी गुड। 2 मिनट एंड 15 सेकंड। ऐसे कोशिश करो बेटा, थोड़ा सा फोकस करो, सेंटेंस को सही बोलो, थॉट्स लेके आओ, तब होएगा। विपिन आ जाओ।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone. Today my topic name is apps. Apps full form is application. Apps are software application designed for mobile
शाबाश शाबाश, ऐसे फोकस करके बोलो, वेरी गुड। हाँ,
they provide various function
शाबाश,
various function like social media, productivity and entertainment.
शाबाश,
Popular app category include education and shopping.
शाबाश, ऐसे अब आया ना, ऐसे कितना अच्छा बोल रहा है, ऐसे फोकस किया कर। हाँ, जल्दबाजी मत किया कर। बोल।
Some of our apps, some of our shopping apps and learning apps like Meesho, Amazon, etc. and learning apps are Seeko app and Duolingo app. We can take online classes by Google Meet app.
शाबाश, ऐसे ऐसे बोलो, फोकस कर करके आ जाएगा, तो स्पीड आ जाएगी अपने आप। अभी लेकिन स्टार्टिंग में बहुत जोर लगाओ, मेहनत करो थोड़ी सी। हाँ, सब हो जाएगा, दिमाग एकदम फास्ट हो जाएगा, चिंता मत करो, बोलो।
Many business use apps to provide services.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, वेरी गुड बेटा, वेरी गुड बेटा। हाँ हाँ,
Apps can be used. Apps can be used for communication, entertainment,
वेरी गुड। हाँ,
or learning new skills.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड।
We can send messages to each other. We can send messages each other
using
using WhatsApp app. That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया, ऐसे। ये कितना अच्छा, सब मन का बोला हुआ आ गया ना, वो मन में जो भी है वो सब आ जाना चाहिए, इसी तरीके से आना चाहिए। फोकस करके रखो भी, थोड़े दिन अपने आप स्पीड हो जाएगी, फास्ट, पता भी नहीं चलेगा कैसे बोल रहे हो बेटा, है ना। वेरी गुड। लक्ष्मी।
Yes, sir. My name is Lakshmi Gujar. Today our topic is app. There are many type of app, and all apps have own important
their importance.
Yes, sir. Their importance, and PhonePe is important app for transfer money to others.
Transfer.
And
ठीक करो।
transfer.
हाँ.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
And we Play Store is important. We can download other app using Play Store,
Hmm.
and without net and battery, we phone is useless for us. And using WhatsApp, we can call to others and
Shabash.
chat to others. And phone is phone is phone is comfortable things for everyone to to en- to enjoy their life.
Hmm.
and
Shabash. Shabash.
and we can buy many clothes using many apps like Meesho, Mitreri, and Amazon, etc.
Hmm.
And we can go
Hmm.
anywhere by using using map. And
Shabash. Very
we
good.
can
Hmm.
we can study at home without going out,
Yeah.
using many apps. And there are many type of apps like like physics wala, drishti app, etc. And
शाबाश बेटा. हाँ.
we can read newspaper using using Dainik Bhaskar app. And we can enjoy our life with, without any person to without any person. And we can we can see we can know
खत्म
about
करो इसको, 15 सेकंड में खत्म करो. हाँ.
yes, we can we can get knowledge about world, etc. And at last I want to say that we should use app in limit. That's it, sir.
शाबाश. यार बेटा बहुत अच्छा करने लग गया, मेरे को तो भरोसा ही नहीं होता अभी भी यार.
Yes, sir. मेरे को भी नहीं होता.
मेरे को तो मतलब ऐसे बोल रहे हो तुम तो जैसे हिंदी बोल रहे हो यार, कहते हैं ना कि हिंदी की तरह बोल रहे हैं.
हाँ सर, मतलब हिंदी
मतलब
कोई भी
अमेजिंग.
इंग्लिश बोलता है समझ में
मतलब
आ
जो आपके
जाती है.
दिमाग में आ रहा है वो बोल रहे हो आप इंग्लिश में यार. दिस इज माय ड्रीम यार.
हाँ.
मैं मतलब यही मेरा सपना होता है जब मैं पढ़ाता हूँ, तो कि उसी लेवल पे पहुंचा दूं मैं बच्चों को. वेरी गुड. शाबाश बेटा. यस हर्षित.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Archit Maurya, and today's my topic is apps. So, as we all know very well, that applications are very important in our devices to be used, and we may see that applications are very important in this time era because everyone wants something different or something innovative to be done, and we can see that apps provides us the things that we want to do, and these are the things which provides us the knowledge and information about the whole world. And before going to the apps, we must know that how apps are operated. So there is basically a big system to operate apps in particular country to operate all the apps present in one's device.
शाबाश.
And those are operated by those companies, and with the help of those companies, we use these applications. And by the name of these applications, we may know that these are sometimes these are a type of links which we use in our devices, and these are basically a software things which we operate on our devices or in our devices. And we may see that nowadays applications are going too viral because we may see that it is a modern era and everyone wants development and modernization in his or her life. Therefore, apps are being used more frequently in this period. So, at last, I would like to say that applications are a critical and very complex method which we don't see. Only we see that its uses and not how it is operated. So, in my view, it is nice to use apps and know about the apps. That's it, sir.
परफेक्ट. शाबाश. 1 minute and 50 seconds. वेरी गुड. अब पकड़ने लगे हो तुम लोग टाइम को धीरे धीरे, ये बहुत अच्छी बात है. पकड़ने लगे हो ना टाइम को धीरे धीरे. बेटा ये माइंड होता है अपना, अपने आप पकड़ लेता है चीजों को, बस आप कोशिश करो. हम टाइम पे करने लगे हो ना आप चीजों को, देख लो आप खुद ही. थोड़ा बहुत ऊपर नीचे होता है, तो आप चीजें जब करोगे तो सब चीजें हो जाएंगी. ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है बेटा, है ना. आदित्य है.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Aditya Donavat, and
and I'm the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from E20. Today's our topic is app.
शाबाश.
As you all know that we use any app which we like more,
Hmm.
and
Hmm.
and these app
Apps.
yeah, these app
Apps
make
बेटा apps आएगा ना, एक ही ऐप थोड़ी की बात कर रहे हो आप. हाँ.
yeah, these apps is very useful and harmful.
Are very useful. Focus कर थोड़ा.
Yeah, are very harmful and useful.
Hmm.
First we first we uh, first we talk about useful apps like Google calculator, etc. Because these apps help to our studies and our problems which we cannot do in real life.
Hmm. बहुत अच्छा. ऐसे बोलो
And
थोड़ा फोकस कर करके धीरे धीरे तसल्ली से. हाँ बोलो.
and and we know that how to solve these things, and these apps only use for studies, no anything, and these apps use all subjects: English, Hindi, history, science, maths, etc.
थोड़ा और सेंटेंसेस को सही करो, फोकस करो. हाँ.
Yes sir. and and harmful apps is very is very bad for our business and our culture, because now time government banned that apps which scam, which take money from us, because so many people play games on mobile phone, and they uh, give money these apps owners, and so many hackers get get these that our money, and become rich, and uh, and we and we become poor.
शाबाश. 15 सेकंड्स और बस, इससे ज्यादा नहीं मिलेंगे. अब 3 मिनट होने वाले हैं, तेरे को मैंने ज्यादा टाइम दे दिया. हाँ.
Yes, sir. And WhatsApp app is very useful. We all on WhatsApp, and we can communicate to each other and our parents. And it is very useful app because WhatsApp connect to our relatives and other neighbors. Yes, sir. That's it.
वेरी गुड. अच्छा, थोड़ा फोकस करके जब बोलोगे तो अच्छा बोलते हो. थोड़ा सा ध्यान को और पकड़ लो बेटा, है ना. बहुत अच्छा करने लगे हो. अभी थोड़ा सा और फोकस करो जरा, वर्ड्स की फॉर्म्स पे और चीजों पे फोकस करोगे तो और ठीक होने लग जाएगा, है ना. वेरी गुड. कोमल.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Komal Vera, and I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from batch 11. And today, our topic is apps. We all know that apps are very important and useful for our daily life, because in the daily life we make our life easy and faster, and apps are helpful for it. And we all know that many companies and many countries are operate these apps, and we all are use
बेटा
we
आर क्यों
all are
लगाते हो आप?
use
अभी तक आर को लगाना बंद नहीं किया आपने, बताओ.
sorry sir
हाँ,
we
धीरे थोड़ा सा.
use
हाँ.
we all use links of the apps, because apps are operating by many companies and countries, and
आर
we all know
ऑपरेटेड.
that
ऑपरेटिंग कैसे आएगा? पैसिव वॉइस बनेगा वो. बोलो.
okay, sir. And apps are very important for us, and we all know that in this generation, all people want their life easy and faster, so they make their life modify. And we all know that in this generation we all have many different apps who which
शाबाश.
makes our life easy and faster, like Blinkit and Rapido and Google Meet, Google and location map, etc.
शाबाश
And with all these apps, we can make our life very easy. And we all know that if we have no time, so we can use Blinkit and Rapido also. And we all know that with the help of these apps, and these apps are very helpful for our daily life. And we all know that there are different types of apps like YouTube, WhatsApp, and Google
10
Meet,
seconds more.
calculator,
जल्दी करो.
etc. And all apps are very helpful for us, and we should use in the limit, and that are the good. That's it.
शाबाश बेटा, थोड़ा सा EJMR पे थोड़ा फोकस कर बेटा, कहाँ लगना चाहिए कहाँ नहीं लगना, कई बार गड़बड़ कर जाती है तू.
Okay, sir.
वर्क फॉर्म पे फोकस कर बेटा, और कहीं नहीं करती है, EJMR लगा देती बार बार बेटा, है ना. थोड़ा सा फोकस कर बेटा, फोकस करेंगे
Yes,
तो हो
sir.
जाएगा ठीक बेटा. अभी तो खुशी.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Kushi Gujar. I am telling about apps. As you know that there are many types of apps. All apps have their own feature
अवन
like
नहीं,
WhatsApp,
ऑन. अवन नहीं होता बेटा, ऑन.
on feature
फीचर्स.
like WhatsApp
हाँ
features
फोकस करो थोड़ा.
like WhatsApp. We can send pictures, photos, message, videos, documents, PDF to others,
शाबाश शाबाश, वेरी गुड बेटा,
and
ठीक है, वेरी गुड बेटा. बोल बेटा.
it saves our time.
हाँ
And like Jaipur bus apps, with the help of it we can find bus locations and easily, and it save our time, and we can go and come in a very less time.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया. ऐसे बोला कर तसल्ली से. हाँ बोल.
Okay, sir. And like Paytm, Phone Pay, with the help of it we can receive and send money to other, and we can do phone recharge and
वी कैन
electricity
रिचार्ज आवर
bill.
फोन्स. डू की क्या जरूरत, रिचार्ज वार भी तो होती है.
Okay, sir.
हाँ बोल बोल बोल, ऐसी सोचते हैं बेटा, बोल.
Do electricity bill while sitting at home.
अरे वाह, बहुत बढ़िया. ऐसे फोकस करोगे तो बढ़िया आएगा बस. हाँ घबराना नहीं, बोल.
And we like Instagram, we can see different types of videos, photos,
एक बार
and
ही
we
बोलना होता है
can
डिफरेंट को, है ना बेटा. हाँ बोल, जल्दी खत्म कर. अब 10-15 सेकंड और दूंगा.
so all apps are very important, so we should use apps in a limit, and it's save our time,
It saves.
and saves our time, and we should not use without unnecessary work. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड. अच्छा है, अब तो बढ़िया है. धीरे धीरे, आप घबराया मत कर बिल्कुल भी, है ना. हड़बड़ाया मत कर बिल्कुल भी बेटा, है ना.
Yes.
हाँ अब तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, माइंड में सिस्टम डेवलप हो गया. प्रैक्टिस करते रहो बस, हड़बड़ाना नहीं है बेटा. पानी की तरह बोल रहे हो, और क्या चाहिए बेटा यार. और इससे ज्यादा तो क्या करवाऊं बताओ मैं तुम्हारा. हैं वैष्णवी,
Yes.
और अच्छा करते हो
Yes, sir.
बहुत अच्छा करते हो. हाँ वैष्णवी बोल बेटा.
Yes, sir. Good evening, all of you. I'm Vaishnavi, and today I'm telling about the apps. You know, in a modern era, important for us because there are many features, and like WhatsApp. We can send our message and we can video call, and we can send message to our relatives, friends, etc. And Play Store with the help of Play Store, we can download any app like Snapchat, Instagram, Rapido,
Hmm.
Meesho, etc. And we can on we can do online shopping with the help of Amazon, Flipkart, Meesho, etc. And if we want to go anywhere, we can book a cab,
शाबाश,
Rapido,
वेरी गुड बेटा,
etc.
बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ.
And and uh, if we feel very hungry, so we can order any food with the help of Zomato
शाबाश.
and
हाँ.
so
हाँ.
etc.
हाँ.
And apps are very important and we can't live without it. And at last, I want to say that we should use the apps in a limit. That's it.
वाह बेटा यार, बहुत बढ़िया यार, मजा आ जाता है यार. अब तो मतलब मैं क्या कहूँ तुम लोगों को. आए मेरा मन कितना भी खराब होता है, लेकिन मैं जब इस क्लास के अंदर होता हूँ और जब आप लोगों को सुनता हूँ ना बोलते हुए, तो यस रियली यार, मैं मन अच्छा हो जाता है मेरा यार. बिल्कुल, बात तो यही है. यही हमारा अचीवमेंट है बस यार. अनुज काम, अनुज
यस सर.
आजा बेटा, शुरू कर बेटा.
यस सर.
खा ले पहले. 2 मिनट बाद नहीं खा सकता था इसको तो. खा ले, खा ले, अब खा ले, खा ले, अब खा ले इसको. सॉरी बेटा, दोबारा बोलना पड़ेगा तेरे को. रिकॉर्डिंग भी नहीं हुई तेरी. अब बोल दोबारा से बेटा. वापस तेरा टाइम चालू कर रहा हूँ. बोल बेटा.
ओके सर, ये तो पॉपेट कर दिया.
नहीं, अब वो
हेलो
उसमें बंद किया था ना मैंने, तो कुछ खा रहा था तो उस समय फिर चालू नहीं किया मैंने उसको उस समय, तो फिर मैंने. हाँ बोल, अब दोबारा बोल. अच्छा बोल
यस
रहा
सर.
ना, दोबारा बोल. हाँ.
Hello everyone, my name is Anuj and today's the topic is apps. So, a mobile without apps is a house without lights and fans
हम्म.
because apps makes the mobile purposeful.
हम्म.
So if there is no app, so mobile is useless for anyone.
हम्म.
And the combination of apps and internet makes it better to get to gain more benefits from the mobile.
हम्म.
And there are a lot of apps. So app is a software that एक app is a software designed to take the tasks from the user
हम्म.
and gives the user response according to his priorities.
शाबाश.
And there are different types of apps like and most used apps are YouTube, Google, Chrome, WhatsApp, etc. And there are they play different types of roles. Like there are messenger apps. Like WhatsApp is a messenger app, and in entertainment we have YouTube, and there are apps of applications. So if we want to use them, so we simply on the Chrome and open the website from the link, and then we can do whatever we want to.
15 seconds more. Conclude करो.
Yes, sir. So always use apps according to your priorities and try to use the free apps, not paid ones.
शाबाश, वेरी गुड यार. क्या कहूँ मैं अब, मतलब